Hi guys, welcome back. See, today we are going to discuss about accounting process. Business is an economic activity undertaken with a motivation of earning profits and to maximize the wealth for the owners. Business cannot run is in isolation. Largely, the business activity is carried out by people coming together with a purpose to serve a common cause. This team is often referred to as an organization, which could be in different terms such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, body, corporate. No. The rules of business are based on general principles of trade, social values, and statutory framework and encompassing national or international boundaries. While these variables could be different to different countries, the basic purpose is to add to a to product or service to satisfy customer demand. The business activities require resources which are limited and have multiple uses, primarily in terms of material, labor, machineries, factories, and other services. The success of business depends on how efficiently and effectively these resources are managed. Therefore, there is a need to ensure that the businessman tracks the use of these resources. The resources are not free, and thus one must be careful to keep one eye on cost of acquiring them as well. As basic purpose of business is to make profit, and must keep on going track of the activities undertaken in the course of business. Two basic questions would have been which one has the answers. What is the first one is what is the result of business operations? This will be answered by finding out whether it has mode sorry it has made profit or loss. And second question, what is the position of the resource acquired and used for business purpose? How are these resources financed? Where the funds come from? The answer to these questions are to be found continuously, and the best way to find them is to record all the business activities. Regarding of business activities has to be done in a scientific manner so that they reveal correct outcome. The science of the bookkeeping and accounting provides an effective solution. It is a branch of social science. This study materials always aim to at giving a platform to students understand basic principles and concepts which can be applied to accurately measure performance of business. After studying the various chapters includes herein, the student should be able to apply the principles, rules, conventions, and practices to different business situations like trading, manufacturing, or services. Over years, the art of and science of accounting has evolved together with progress of trade and commerce at national and global level. Professional accounting bodies have been doing intensive research to come up with accounting rules that will be applicable. Modern business is certainly more complex and continuous updating, and of these rules is required. Every stakeholder of the business is interested in a particular fact of the facet of information about the business. The art and science of accounting helps to put together these requirements of information as per universally accepted principles and also to interpret the results. It is interesting to note that each one of us has an accountant in us. We do see our parents keep track of monthly expenses in our homes. We make a distinction between payments done for monthly grocery and that for buying a house or a car, paying for current bill, cable bill, expenses. We understand that while groceries are monthly expenses, buying a house like is creating a resources that has a indefinite future use. The most common expense and record that each one of us knows is our bank passbook or a bank statement, which the bank maintains uh, for us. It tracks each rupee that we deposit or withdraw our account. When we go to supermarket to buy something, the cashier at the counter will record things which we buy and give us a bill or a cash memo. These rules are source documents prepared for the transaction between the supermarket and us. While these are simple examples, there could be more complex business activities. Good working knowledge of keep recording is therefore necessarily. Professional accounting bodies all over the world have been functioning with the objective of providing this body of knowledge. These institutions are engaged in importing training in the health of accounting. Let us start the basic definitions, concepts, conventions, and practices used in development of this art as well as science. See, if you say definitions, in order to understand the subject matter with clarity, let us study some of the definitions which depict the scope, content, and purpose of accounting. The field of accounting is generally subdivided into bookkeeping, financial accounting, cash accounting, and management accounting. So, first of all, we will see the first one bookkeeping. The most common definition of bookkeeping are given by Mr. J.R. Butty Boy. Batley Boy. His bookkeeping is an art of recording business transactions and set of uh, books. As can be seen, it is basically a record keeping function. One must understand that not all dealings are, however, recorded. Only transactions expressed in terms of money will find places in books of accounts. These are the transactions which will ultimately result in transfer of economic or value from one person to other. Bookkeeping is a continuous activity. The records being maintained as transactions are entered into. This being a routine and a repetitive work. In today's world, it is taken over by the computer systems. Many accounting packages are available to suit different business organizations. It is also referred as a set of primary records. These records form the basis of accounting. It is an art for because the record is to be kept in such a manner that it will facilitate further processing and reporting and financial information which will be useful to all stakeholders of the business. Second one, business accounting. It is commonly termed as accounting. American Institute of Certified Public Accounts, it means AICPA, defines accounting as an art of recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money transactions events which are in part of list a financial character, interpreting the results thereof. The first step in the cycle of account is to be identify transactions that will find its place in books of accountings. Transactions have financial impact only or to be recorded. Example, if a businessman negotiates with the customer regarding supply of products, this will not be recorded. The negotiation is a deal which will potentially create a transaction and will have exchange of money or money worth. But unless this transaction is finally entered into, it will not be recorded in the books of accounts. Second one, the recording of the business transaction is done based on the golden rules of accounting, which will be later I will go to explain in a systematic manner. Transaction and similar nature are grounded, grouped together, and recorded accordingly. Examples: sales transaction, purchases transaction, cash transactions. One of has to interpret the transact and the apply the relevant gold rule to make an correct entry thereof. Third one, the transaction increases in numbers. It will be difficult to understand the combined effect of same by referring to individual records. Hence, the art of accounting also involves the step of summarizing them with the old of computers. This task is simplified in today accounting world. The summarization will help users the business information to understand the interpreted business results. And final, the accounting process provides the users with statements with which will describe and what has happened to the business. Reminder the two basic questions we talked about. One to know whether business has made profit or loss, and other to know the position of resources that are used by business. And it can be noted that throughout accounting is often referred is to as an art. It is a science also. Okay, sorry. This is because one second. Because it is based on universal applicable set of rules. However, it is not pure science, as there is a possibility of different interpretation. And coming to cost accounting, the third one, according to the Chartered Institute of Management Accounts, it means CIMA. Cost accounts is defined and applicable of costing and cost accounting principles, methods, techniques to the science, art and practice of cost control and ascertainment of profitability, as well as the presentation of the information for the purpose of management decision making. It is branch of accounting dealing with the classification, recording, allocation, summarization, and reporting of current and prospective costs and analyze their behavior. Cost accounting is frequently used to facilitate internal decision making and provides tools with which management can appraise performance and control costs of doing business. It is primarily involves relating the cost of the to the different products produced and sold or services rendered by business. While business accounting deals with business transaction as at a border level, cost accounting aims at the further breaking it up to the last possible level to identify costs with the products and services. To use some financial accounting documents and records. Modern computerized accounting packages like ERP system provide for processing financial as well as cost accounting records simultaneously. This branch of accounting deals with the process of ascertainment of cost. The concept of cost is always applied with reference to a context. Knowledge of cost concepts and their application provide a very sound platform for decision making. Cost accounting aims at uh, equipping management and with information that can be used for control or business activities. And management accounting is concerned with the use of the financial accounting information managers with organizations to provide them with the basis in making informed business decisions that would allow them to be better equipped in their management and control functions. Unlike financial accounting information, which for the public companies and public information, management accounting information is used with an organization, typically for decision making, and is usually confidential and the access available only to a selected few. According to the Chartered Accountant Institute of Management Accounts (CMA), management accounting is the process of identification, measurement, accumulation, analysis, preparation, interpretation, and communication of information used by management to plan, evaluation and control with the entity, and to assure appropriate use of and accountability for its resources. Management accounting also comprises the preparation of financial reports for non-management groups such as shareholders, creditors, regulatory authorities, and tax authorities. Basically, management accounting aims to facilitate management in formulating strategies, planning, and constructing business activities, making decisions, optimal use of resources, and safeguarding assets of business. Few these branches of the accounting has involved over year research and are basically synchronized with the requirement of business organization and all entities associated with them. We will now see what are they and how accounting satisfy various needs of different stakeholders. Next videos also. So if you are to see bookkeeping, accountancy, difference between, if you are to see, first one is meaning bookkeeping is considered as a and accountancy is considered as beginning functions. If you between say bookkeeping and accountancy, the primary stage of accounting function is called bookkeeping. The overall accounting functions are guided by accountancy. Accounting. So depends. For bookkeeping can provide the basis of accounting. Accountancy depends on bookkeeping for its complete functions. Data, the necessary data about financial performance and financial positions and taken from bookkeeping. Accountants can take it a decision, prepare reports, statements from the data taken from bookkeeping. Recording of transactions, financial transactions are recorded on the basis of accounting principles, concept, and conventions. Coming to the accountancy does not take any principles, concepts, and conventions from bookkeeping. For instance, the difference between management and financial accounting. The significant difference between management accounting and financial accounting are: management accounting is primarily based on the data available, and financial accounting, it provides necessarily information to the management to accept them in the process of planning, controlling, performance, evaluation, and decision making. Reports prepared in the management accounting are meant for management and as per the management requirement. Reports may contain both subjective and objective figures, are not subject to statutory audit. It evaluates the sectional as well as the entire performance of the business. And financial accounting is based on the monetary transaction of the enterprises. Its main focus is on recording and classifying monetary transactions in the books of accounts and preparation of financial statements of the end of the every accounting period. Reports as per the financial accounting are meant for the management as well as for shareholders and creditors of the concern. Reports should always be supported by relevant figures, and it emphasizes on the objectivity of data. Reports are always subject to statutory audit. It ancestors assessor it ascertains, evaluates, and exhibits the financial strength of the whole business. So this is between the management accounting and financial accounting between. Coming to the accounting cycle, when a complete sequence of accounting procedure is done with the happiness, are reported in the same directions during the accounting period. The same in called an accounting cycle. See, first of all, if I see the steps of pages of accounting cycle, uh, financial introduction. If recording of transactions, see general ledger, trial balance, adjustment entities, adjusted trial balance, closing closing and entities financial statement. See, first of all, if you are seeing this one, recording of transaction, as soon as a transaction happened, it is a transaction recorded in subsidiary book. General, transaction are recorded in general chronologically. Ledger, if you see, all journals are posted in ledger chronologically and in a classified manner. The C, sorry, D, if you say trial balance, after looking all the ledger accounting, closing balances, a trial balance prepared at the end of the prepare period for the preparation of final statements. Adjustments entries are the entries are to be recorded properly adjusted accordingly before preparing financial statements. Adjusted trial balance. An adjusted trial balance may also be prepared. Closing entries, as the nominal accounts are to be closed by transfer to trading accounting and profit and loss accounting. And financial statements can be now how be easily prepared and which exhibit the true financial position and operating results. So this is about for till now, and subscribe. Next will be objective of accounts, and it is going on. There is no ending. Later financial accounting will be subscribed. Thank you so much.